So one of the best online businesses to start right now, in my opinion, is Nexus Rewards. Now, if you're not familiar with what Nexus Rewards is, it's pretty much a cash back and savings portal. This allows people to save and get cash back pretty much every time they shop on or offline. Now, the cool thing about Nexus is it allows people just like us the opportunity to start earning passive income, instant income, and long-term income simply by using the Nexus Rewards platform. Now, of course, I got a link to Nexus Rewards in the description of this video so you can get a lot more details on what the program is and how you can earn with it. But in this video, I just want to talk about the business side of it and how I plan on building a passive income with Nexus Rewards. One of the things I really like about Nexus Rewards is the recurring monthly income opportunity that it offers, right? So anytime that you get somebody to join Nexus Rewards and they upgrade to a premium member, which is only $22 a month, right? That's it. You actually get $10 a month for every person that you bring in, right? So I really like that. Why? Because if you look further into Nexus Rewards and you know, you get involved with it, you're going to realize how simple this opportunity is and how easy it is to promote, right? Because all you're doing is giving people the opportunity to save money, right? To get stuff cheaper and to actually build their own online business, right? So it's very easy to promote. So when you think about the fact that the low cost of $22 will allow you to generate a endless, you know, income opportunity, you're going to get $10 for every person that you bring in and every month that they stay a member, right? So I always look at, you know, the big idea, right? My goal with Nexus Rewards is to get 1,000 members, right? Now, depending on the type of person you are, you might be like, damn, 1,000 members, dude, you crazy, bro. Like, what is you on? And if you a real go-getter, right, and you really on this online marketing, affiliate marketing, you would be like, oh, that's it? 1,000, okay. I want to do the same thing, bro. I want to get 1,000 too, right? My mindset is this: if I can get 1,000 people into Nexus Rewards, right, that's 10 grand a month. 10,000 a month. But here's the crazy part about that. You actually have the network marketing aspect of Nexus Rewards. And what I'm talking about is, you know, when you bring somebody in, yes, you get the $10 from that person when they upgrade, right? But then you're going to start earning from, you know, the people that they bring in and they bring in, blah, 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 blah. You know what it is. Now, you don't get a ton of money from when the people that you refer bring in people and they bring in people, but that money adds up, right? And it adds up to a crazy amount if you work the business, right? So me saying that I want to bring in 1,000 people and that equals $10,000, right? That's super cool and I would be happy with that. But realistically, if I bring in 1,000 people, the money that I would be able to generate from those people, you know, bringing other people into the company and so on, would be ridiculous. Trust me when I tell you, it would be a ridiculous number on a recurring basis if I can hit my goal of personally bringing in 1,000 people, right? It would just be crazy. If you had a goal of bringing in 100 people, you're going to be bringing in, you know, $1,000 a month. That's cool. But the amount of money you're probably going to be making for those 100 people and those people who decide to really push and work the business, the people that they're going to bring in, that $1,000 a month that you're going to be getting from your referrals could easily turn into $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month, right? And that, just that opportunity alone is what drives me to really work the business, really promote it and get it out there, because the earning potential is there. The products are there. This is a low cost online business opportunity. A lot of people don't like getting involved with opportunities because they feel like it costs too much. There's programs out there that cost $500, $1,000, $2,000 to get involved with. This is $22 a month, right? $22,000 a month, and it breaks down to, $5.50 a week to run your online business, right? So far with Nexus, I got 9 members that just joined, 9 free members that joined up. I just had somebody upgrade to the premium member. They're paying $22 a month, and I was super excited to get my first upgrade, right? So now I'm gonna earn off of who they bring in, right? But this is just the beginning for me, right? My first, upgrade, I got 999 more people to go, right? And I'm super excited about sharing this opportunity, and that's how I'm promoting it, right? My thing is YouTube, right? I also do YouTube and pretty much Facebook Reels. That's my thing, right? But the cool thing about Nexus Rewards is there's people in the group who are promoting using TikTok, there's people promoting using YouTube, and there's people promoting using Facebook, right? So it really just depends on what you're comfortable with, your style of promoting. But this is something that you can promote to the masses, because a lot of people, your average person want to be able to save money or get cash back whenever they shop. Rich people want to get cash back and they want to save, right, when they shop, right? So you can provide this opportunity, and I'm excited about it because it's so new, right? This opportunity is new. A lot of people haven't heard about it yet, and that's why I'm jumping all in, right? What I'm doing is when people upgrade, right? When people join Nexus Rewards, you essentially join in my team, right? And anybody that needs help getting started with Nexus Rewards, like, I reach out to you. And when I see you join and you upgrade, I reach out to you, right? And I was like, hey, any way I can help, let me know, right? Any strategies that I come up with, I will be open to share with you, because I want you to grow your business. I want you to get 1,000 members, right? I want you to make a lot of money with this program because it helps both of us. So why wouldn't I go all out to help you out, right? To be successful with Nexus. So everybody that joins Nexus with me, they have that same passion to be like, yo, I want to build a huge monthly income. If you're that person, once you join, I'm all in. I'm gonna help you out every way I can, because like I said, I want you to be successful too. But if you ain't into that, it's all good. I'm still growing my business, and I have that goal, and I'm going to hit that goal, right? It's that simple. And one more thing too with Nexus Rewards is this is something you can actually promote offline as well. You can get the flyers and business cards. A lot of people don't get business cards, but like flyers and everything like that. People are sharing this opportunity in many different ways because it allows you to. So this is something that I'm really focusing on, really serious about building. And obviously I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos talking about my progress with the company and actually trying to reach my goals, right? And hopefully if you join the team, you'll be reaching the same goals as me. All right. So if you want to check out Nexus Rewards for yourself, you already know, click the first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.